तपाईलाई कस्तो फिल भइरहेछ अहिले?
मलाई त एकदमै गर्वको फिल भएको छ, एकदमै प्राउड हैन। आफ्नो नेपाल एयरलाइन्स आफ्नो राष्ट्रिय ध्वजावाहक पहिलो पटक यसरी अफिसियली इजरायलमा अब यहाँहरु अवतरण गर्न पाउनु भएको छ, यहाँहरु आउनु भएको छ।
कति सामान छ हामीसँग अहिले?
करिब 18 टनको छ अनि
मूल्यमा हिसाब गर्ने
करिब 20 करोड जतिको हाराहारीमा छ।
20 करोड भनेको सानो कुरा त होइन।
अनि मैले यहाँ आएर के फिल गरेँ भने राजदूत हुँदैमा कुनै पद हुँदैमा मान्छे एकदम ठुलो भएर केही हुने हैन। हामीले काम गर्नुपर्छ, ग्राउन्ड लेभलमा पुगेर काम गर्नुपर्छ। इजरायली साथीहरुबाट
यहुदी भाषामा पनि गीत गाउनु भयो के अरे?
Omis prim everla sayeret harim hamit kameret benepal hare koka.
Now आज टेल अभिव को फ्लाइट छ। म र जीवेशले लिएर जाने, फर्केर ल्याउनेमा चाहिँ श्रवण र अमूल्यले। And this is going to be the first Airbus A330 flight to Israel, Tel Aviv. I'm sure I'm going to enjoy it. It's a daylight flight also. I'll be able to see a lot of places also. Let's see how we're going to do. I'll try and cover as much as possible. Jai Chandra Surya, and keep watching. I'm coming with a show also called Jai Chandra Surya. Here you go, all set. Ready? दुईजना हिरोहरू आएको छ। यो म जहिले पनि यस्तो हाम्रो चालक दलसँग कुरा गर्छु कि मलाई एउटा कुरामा जहिले पनि विश्वास लाग्छ कि काम हरेकको काम आफ्नै हिसाबले महत्त्वपूर्ण हुन्छ। विमान चालक भयो भन्दा पनि म ठुलो, गाडी चालक भयो भन्दा पनि म सानो, त्यो हुँदैन कि। आफ्नो कामप्रतिको माया सद्भाव हुनुपर्छ होइन हो। अब यस्तो जहाजहरूको अब उडानको लागि टिकट लिनलाई यस्तो लाइन देख्न थाल्यो। ल काठमाडौँ त खुलेछ है अब साथीहरू मित्रहरू। यो काठमाडौँ लकडाउन भनेको यो गफ मात्रै हो, लक छैन। लक मात्रै छ, डाउन चाहिँ भएको छैन होइन। कस्तो खालको लकडाउन थाहा छैन। आई जस्ट सर्टेड नाउ बट आइ एम ह्याप्पी। ए मेरो भाइले ह्याप्पी छ के अरे? क्याप्टेन, ग्राउन्ड क्याप्टेन, स्काई क्याप्टेन होइन। क्याप्टेन त क्याप्टेन हो। Okay, now we are at the movement. This is our first Airbus 330 flight to Tel Aviv, right? That's my first visit to it. You can show your face also. We are all injected. We are vaccinated. You're vaccinated? Vaccinated? Cap, are you vaccinated?
Yes.
Yes. This one you are vaccinated? Everybody is vaccinated, so we are protected. And it's always a pleasure to do some new flights like this. It's always a milestone. I hope we'll grow bigger and bigger, man. I know. So these are our. We need to do a lot of studying, but they have already sent us the soft copy in our mail, right? Dropbox also. That's Amulya. Who's going to dispatch? Costly. Are you ready?
Yes,
Samad?
Yes, sir.
So I'm also ready if you're ready. So we are going after?
It's about 10 years or more, I guess.
More than that. I was a co-pilot only at that time. We were there in San Francisco. We had a fantastic captain and another captain
Journey
co-pilot.
as well. Fantastic
So
time.
we landed up sitting on the road having our last.
Batyam Beach.
Yeah, Batam Beach. No, when landed up at the street side, having the last pegs of our whiskeys, right?
Yes.
Black label. See, we can say that, no problem. this is Chakra. Again, we showed. And आउनुहोस् तपाईहरु पनि. And she is our नेपालको सबैभन्दा पहिलो lady, female, one मात्र हो र हैन नि?
Yes, only one.
One and only load master. She calculates everything for us, है. त्यो उहाँको क्याल्कुलेसनले नै हाम्रो सबै लोडहरु तय गर्छ. So it's a pride. हाम्रो नेपाल एयरलाइनमा नेपालको सबैभन्दा पहिलो विमान चालक पनि यही हो, महिला. अनि सबभन्दा पहिलो लोड मास्टर पनि महिलामा. नाम के थाहा पारे?
सुशीला थापा मगर.
सुशीला थापा मगर. तपाई चाहिँ
कमल केवाली कार्गो भाइ.
कार्गो है.
धन्यवाद दादा.
No, that's my team. We are now leaving. They are coming along with me. And of course I don't like this guy. I don't want him, but यो मान्छे बिना काम छैन पनि के मेरो. यहाँ आकाशमा छिरेपछि मात्रै मैले दादागिरी देखाउने हो हैन. तर ग्राउन्डमा दादागिरी देखाउँछ. अब if he does not sign off, I don't get it. So that's Sakra, Sushila. Cleaning in progress now. हरेक उडान पछाडि यसरी सफा सुग्घर कार्यक्रम हुन्छ यहाँ. हाम्रो त्यो
ओ सर नमस्ते.
नमस्ते. मास्क निकालौँ न, इन्जिनहरु देखाउनु पर्यो हाम्रो. ए बस्याल सञ्जुल.
के सर?
All well?
Phase 1.
एक वटा. What are you doing, Sushmita?
We are changing 1319
Aizaz.
111.
Hello.
At November 21 in Jordan. Dry. We use runway 26 to land. All okay? चाँडो गर्नु पर्यो है अब हामीले. Right. Tired? Not tired. Let's go. We're right here now. We made it.
Third time in the street.
We made it. We made it.
नेपाल सरकारलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु. हामीहरूले सङ्कलन गरेको यहाँको इजरायलको सरकारले र नेपाल एम्बेसीले यो सङ्कलन गरेको सामग्रीहरू लिनको लागि यहाँहरू आइदिनु भएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ. यसले नेपाल र नेपालीहरूलाई खुसी ल्याउँछ भन्ने हामी आशा गर्छौँ.
हामी खुसीका साथ आएका छौँ. अब खुसीको साथ यो सबै कन्सेप्ट लिएर जान्छ मान्छे साहब होइन. किप वर्किङ हार्ड लाइक आई थिङ्क हामी सबै नेपाली एक हौँ. त्यो एउटा विश्वास छ होइन हामीलाई. You also want to say something for us?
Well,
Your good name?
my name is Nadav Ben Yehuda. I'm advising to the embassy over here, and I'm the chairman of the Israel and Nepal Friendship Association. Thank you for Nepal Airlines for coming here to help us with this project. We've been working tirelessly for 2 months over here. We have gathered donations of more $1.5 million and about 20 tons of
That's
things,
a lot.
goods
That's a lot.
inside.
Thank you.
All to help our brothers and sisters in Nepal. Please keep the good faith for your journey in the COVID situation and do your best in everything. We have the faith in you.
We have friends like you also. There's no problem, you know.
Thank you.
We all are fighters, and this is one gentleman here. Captain here, come please. Sir. This is his third attempt, you know.
Yes.
2 times it got cancelled. Tell me, how was it feeling when it got cancelled?
Great. Though it has cancelled twice, but the third is
Always a good one.
yeah.
We made it.
We made it. The result counts, and finally we are here. We are so proud.
How
We
are
so
you
proud.
feeling? How do you feel?
Great. I'm feeling great. There's so many friends like you, and
You want to say something on my vlog also? Tell people what we are doing?
we are bringing they have donated medical kits and ventilators
From Israeli
generators
government?
from Israeli government,
And
Israeli
friends,
friends.
yeah.
And thank you so much. Thanks everybody. Thanks,
And I
Madam
would like
Ambassador.
to request Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mikhail Ronen, to speak some words. in your blog.
Well, all the right words have been said already, but we are very proud about the friendship of Nepal to Israel, and we are very proud to be your friend. I did this historical bit of your aircraft of Nepal Airline here,
Right.
and I just hope that we will have more flights coming in with tourists, taking back tourists.
We should do that more often,
Nepal.
you know?
We would like very much to do that, and many Israelis are looking forward for the moment to go back and visit your beautiful country.
Thank you so much.
Another lady, she's also a very important lady. She's president of Israel Nepal Chamber of Commerce. She's
Hello.
so she will also speak few words.
You have to say something to
I'm so happy that for the first time I've been in your plane and I've been in Nepal. Thanks for coming. We're sending a lot of love and a lot of prayers.
Thank
I
you.
hope that we will all be together soon. You come to Israel and we come to Nepal.
Please do visit us. I
And-
think
And
this
I hope
world
those
is.
planes will bring people, not just medical staff, next time. So thanks for coming. God bless.
Thank you so much. And that was all my friends, everybody here, you know. We had a good time. Look, those are all our crew members. They've done it. Everybody's right here. We are almost done with everything. Namaste. Saji हुनुहुन्छ नि हैन? हेर्नु होला all this thing, right? Look. Load master is right here. Our crew members all here. Happy to be here, right? Yeah, there you go. अब के भन्ने?
आइयो
आइयो
Fine.
अब आइयो.
Namaste. Namaste.
And we have friends from Israel. Namaste. I just want to show you all Israel. अब हामी यहाँ छौँ अघि नै आएको 1 घण्टा भइसक्यो. And now it's on a further loading भइरहेछ. Tel Avivमा छौँ. Oh, what a good reception we had here today. अब यहाँबाट अहिले we're going to start loading here also. अहिले मसँग हाम्रो राजदूत अनि and she is a very good singer also. तपाईँ सबैले चिन्नुहुन्छ उहाँलाई होइन. She's been doing a fantastic job here. अहिले जुन यो सहयोग हामीहरूलाई प्राप्त भएछ नेपालको निम्ति नेपालका दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीको निम्ति, she is a key person who is actually been coordinating everything for all of us. I just want to ask a few things. तपाईँलाई कस्तो फिल भइरहेछ अहिले?
मलाई त एकदमै गर्वको फिल भएको छ, एकदमै प्राउड होइन. आफ्नो नेपाल एयरलाइन्स आफ्नो राष्ट्रिय ध्वजावाहक पहिलोपटक यसरी अफिसियली इजरायलमा अब यहाँहरू अवतरण गर्न पाउनु भएको छ. हामीले सङ्कलन गरेको सामानहरू लिनको लागि यहाँहरू आउनुभएको छ.
कति सामान छ हामीसँग अहिले?
करिब 18 टनको छ अनि
मूल्यमा हिसाब
चाहिँ नि करिब 20 करोड जतिको हाराहारीमा छ.
20 करोड भनेको सानो कुरा त होइन.
अनि हामीले यसमा सङ्कलन गरेको इजरायल सरकारबाट पनि छ अनि हामी आफै नेपाली दूतावासबाट मैले जस्तै म आफैले 1 लाख.
एज एन एम्बेसडर काम गर्दाखेरि कस्तो अनुभूत भइरहेछ? एउटा कलाकार आफ्नो ठाउँमा होइन, मैले तपाईँलाई चिनेको पनि धेरै भयो. एज एन एम्बेसडर फर मी मेरो प्रोटोकलमा पनि लुक यु आर सो वे अप होइन. हाउ डु यु फिल?
I feel like here actually for the ambassador there is not so much like the hierarchy. So you will not get such much what you expect. You will not get as an ambassador. It's like a friend. You will receive
More like a human being.
More like a human being. अनि मैले यहाँ आएर के फिल गरेँ भने राजदूत हुँदैमा कुनै पद हुँदैमा मान्छे एकदम ठुलो भएर केही हुने होइन. हामीले काम गर्नुपर्छ, ग्राउन्ड लेभलमा पुगेर काम गर्नुपर्छ र आफ्नो जनताको लागि र आफ्नो देशको लागि गर्नुपर्छ. अनि मैले कुरा अब अझ बढी सिकेँ भनौँ.
अब यो कुरा नेपालमा लगेर चाहिँ बाँड्नु पऱ्यो नि त.
अब बिस्तारै बिस्तारै
ओहदाले हरेक व्यक्तिलाई निहुराउन सिकाउनु पर्छ.
मैले इन्टरभ्यूमा के बोलेँ
निहुराउने त्यो अर्थमा म भन्दैछु कि बाँस जस्तै विद्वान पनि जति पढ्दै गयो उति नम्र हुँदै जान्छ होइन. ओहदाले अहङ्कार ल्याउनु भएन.
जति अब फलेको रुखहरू झुक्छ नि त्यस्तै हामी हुन सक्नुपर्छ. इजरायलमा अब यहाँ मैले इन्टरभ्यूमा पनि त्यही भनेको थिएँ. म यहाँ राजदूत भन्दा पनि साथीको रूपमा आएको हो होइन. त्यसैले मैले धेरै साथी
नेपाललाई त्यसरी रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्नुभएको छ है.
2000 भन्दा बढी साथीहरू छ त्यसैले मसँग यहाँ इजरायलीहरू त्यसैले यो सबै डोनेसन इजरायली साथीहरूबाट
यहुदी भाषामा पनि गीत गाउनु भयो के अरे
Começa primavera sayere thari mamit kameret be Nepal hare kokha यो गीत तपाईहरुले यहाँको चर्चित कलाकार गाली अतारीसँग मैले गाएकी छु हैन त्यो युट्युबमा पनि हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ
So watch on
नेपालको बारेमा गीत हो यो
It's about Nepal, it's about please watch and thank you Israel, thank you people of Israel, thank you government of Israel, thank you so much for being with us. This is one time when we show humanity, you know. There is no limit to showing what humanity is all about. So that is one of the reasons why we always say, look, there is no caste, there is no differences between anyone. There's only one caste, you know, that we are human beings. So I think we have to learn to be good human.
We have to live here like humanity.
And good human being. Keep thinking positive. Thank you so much, Ambassador. We'll keep watching my vlog also.
Of course.
This is what they have done here. You can see. This is how they load. And there you go. हाम्रो एम्बेसडरसँग के कुरा गरौँ है हाम्रो महामहिमजीसँग amazing lady she is amazing you should be actually attending a wedding today and you were supposed to be attending the swearing in of the new president of Israel and yet you chose to be here.
Yeah, of course it's for Nepal and for Nepali people and you are here amazing captain and crew member of Nepal Airlines and we have to be
Your
there.
Excellency, I didn't ask you to talk about me but anyway thank you so much. What about my buddy here? Now we've become friends, you know. I've also done mountaineering. He's an expert in that area and he's just given me a sense of belief that anything is possible.
Well, you know, just take a look at the plane over here. We will calculate it. You see, only 5 seats are empty. Everything is on the spot. You see over here. Amazing work, amazing team.
Like, they're working very hard. And what is this?
Those are big screens.
For smart.
It's going to be for a control center of COVID.
Smart COVID command control room.
So through which you actually
CCMC,
monitor.
CCMC. Yeah, screen. We have altogether 11 screens here.
Thank you so much again. Thank you, Israel. Thank you, friends, brothers and sisters of Israel.
Toda Rabba.
Huh?
Toda Rabba.
Toda Rabba.
He is still waiting.
We are very proud of you, Mamamji. किनभनेदेखिलाई जुन सोचले तपाईले काम गरिदिनु भयो हैन हामीलाई पनि ऊर्जा मिलेको छ एउटा ओहदामा एउटा संवेदनशील ठाउँमा रहेर पनि फेरि हामीहरुसँग नै हामी त निम्न स्तरको कारीगर हो नि त हैन
मान्छे कोही पनि निम्न स्तरको
हैन तर हामी त हैन
सबैजना बराबर हो
त्यो तपाईको बडपन भन्छु हैन तर पनि एउटा ओहदाको हिसाबले पनि हाम्रो लागि त एउटा इज्जतको कुरो हो तपाईले यहाँ यसरी जुन किसिमले हामीहरुलाई साथ दिएर हाम्रो मान शान बढाइदिनु भयो त्यसको त हामीसँग सक्दो छ
हामीहरु सबै भनेको त एउटै परिवार जस्तै हौ नि त
हैन मैले चाहिँ उता फोनमा कुरा हुँदाखेरि जुन एउटा मलाई चाहिँ अप्ठ्यारो भइरा थियो यहाँ आइसकेपछि त्यो सबै एकदम इजी भयो के
त्यही खुसी लाग्यो धेरै वर्षपछि भेट भयो अब लेट्स होप विल मीट मोर अफ्टन लेट्स डू समथिङ हैन थ्यांक यू एन्जॉय चन्द्र सूर्य एनी पार्टिङ वर्ड्स के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ
सम्पूर्णलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद यी सामग्रीहरूले नेपालीहरूको अब जीवन सुधार हुन्छ राम्रो हुन्छ भन्ने हामी आशा गर्छौं र नेपाल सरकार इजरायल सरकार र नेपाली समुदाय इजरायली समुदायलाई धेरै धेरै विनम्र धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु
थ्यांक यू